Mechre Health Minister Aya Kwaku Ajimai Menu na setting for Beshan so bense eye November bosume afia etwa mu mechre 2022 no ena babeto odwase enura se yawo akwada eda yawo no ekwapem so benya bosume besedu nwotwe no yesi se ndo ni nyina eho atimi akwatwe ho ayedene enu ni bi ma enti wo akwada no ne bia yesi yawo no eye intenchen panie ananse bia ntobro ena afa bi a de fanse bia yemtuo yetimi wo no ho panie se bi eduru ba bi a ye betime de aduro kura so nkwada nanu mu a eho ba ba ye den ema na wotwetwe mu ene na wotwe na hyese mpo no eno ba ye nsem a na tu omanfo no na ye dua ye nyina ye wi ni se ya atwetwe na enumu ene na dua yo pani na pie mu awa Ghana mrahye badwafie ema omu bisabisa ne sam bebere sa denti ene duro no na ebi maye pani ne se odinka ba bonten ebekire mu se enye Ghana ase nko na duro na ebi maye ewiase mfa na nyina according to UNICEF said the pani no wache ni nsemu no ana na ehwo aye de nam so me nei enduro na Ghana memu asenso ebi so entimi ma me kan yensa na mo mpani ne duai wose people say kame say Ghana ban anya sikabotene best America $4 sikabunu no best $6.5 million de o matua edema UNICEF said be ye nduro no ebi betima bepiemu awa Ghana memu asei pani no ewie eye ni nkyerɛkyerɛmu awa Ghana mrahye badwafie kra no anu ase said be ye dankoma bi enduro no ehwo entimi anya diniti no obesere pa say parliamentarians no emomaden so betimi amasika bi a emu oduro na kyena bi no omade atodo no bebre ade bepie kromu asere be ye kyena bi enduro no ehwo enkonkoye den ye betie honorable Kwaku Ajimai Menu.
At the time when I went to the ministry, right, I was so worked up. We're trying to negotiate with Gavi and our donors to actually continue to give us vaccines whilst we started paying for their rates. We inherited over $15.8 million equivalent in vaccines. There was shortage of vaccines, and we even had recorded close to about 358 infections in that particular year, 2016. I have statistics here. Mr. Speaker, it's a very serious, public interest issue. The assurances I will give, and I can give for the first time in the chamber here, that this will not happen again. And I will advise that you help me in my advocacy to get adequate funding for vaccines, even the health insurance, right? So when we meet with committee, they have always been talking about it. And even in the chamber, it has come up. So that if Parliament approves adequately for us, we always have our budget well defined, we will be able to supply. And I'll assure you that whatever challenges that happen, I don't think we're going to face this possible challenge. And I'll stand here and assure the House that within the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we will get vaccines. Possibly, even probably before that. Even probably before that. I can't lay my hands on specific dates, but even probably before that, we may get the vaccines, probably even earlier. Throughout the period, we made close to $6.4 million equivalent to UNICEF, who supplies us the vaccine.
Ontimi enkase china anana de chie ena nduro no ebi ba beduro da bi na china bi se koba se nduro na ma kasa ai pani ni kasa china na nduro no beba na ade achi nduro na ma nton de yenhwe nim se ni manim ya enche bia wo hyebo se nduro no ebi betima bana mo besere se mpanifo mo maden se bia na so ye no on betima masika dodo akoho no na china bi nduro no ehon so entimi ankwa atwe opani a wono ena da so ye o mo hwe ya pom de wonsam so e wo Ghana memu asei honorable Kwaku Ajimai Menu ne ani yete no
yemfri sansemu no na afa yemfi ani enchemu